Hello, everybody, and happy Friday, and more importantly, go Broncos. Hey, I got a couple things for you this week. First of all, let's talk about some loan stuff that's come out recently. We have heard quite a few rumors that Fannie, Freddie, FHA are looking at 40, 50, and 100-year mortgages. I don't think about the 50 and the 100, but I can see FHA going to a 40-year mortgage, which would help people get into houses. So we'll definitely watch out for this. Remember that October 1st is the start of the new fiscal year for the federal government, and that's when we get a lot of announcements that come out on that. The one announcement that did come out from one of my lenders is they've increased conforming loan limits. Prior to Monday, conforming loan limits was $647,000. I have a lender that's gone all the way up to $715,000, which is great news because, as you know, any loan that was under $647,000 was a conforming loan limit. Anything over $647,000 was a jumbo loan. And of course, jumbo loans have higher interest rates and more politics associated with them. So if you currently have a client that has a jumbo loan that is under $715,000, get with their lender and tell them to drop them down to conforming loan limit, or give me a call on it. But this is pretty spectacular news. We'll start seeing FHA, VA, and USDA also release their new loan limits. Obviously, they're going to go up significantly. The conforming loan limit went up almost $60,000 some odd dollars. So that's actually pretty spectacular. Hey, social media, you guys should be posting at least one time, probably not more than 2 per day on social media, but I've got a nice little social media infographic that I'll post below, and it's basically on catalytic converters. The city of Napa is teaming up with a bunch of dealerships to do free engraving on catalytic converters. This is kind of hit home today because I had a good friend who got their catalytic converter stolen last night. It's happening quite a bit. This is a great way to be a resource to your clients. Let's talk about VA loans really fast. On a VA loan, the agent, the buyer's agent, cannot, and I repeat, cannot have a transaction coordinator fee that is charged to the borrower or the veteran. It can't happen. It won't happen. It doesn't matter what you call it, transaction fee, coordination fee, TC fee, purple polka dot fee. It really doesn't matter what you call it. It cannot, under no circumstances, be charged to the veteran. If you have charged it to the veteran, you need to refund that to the veteran down immediately. We have found out that a local real estate agent has been doing that, and it's not going to be pretty. Let's talk about rates a little bit. I'm not going to go into rates a lot, but we're going to talk about next week. Next week, we have a consumer price index and producer price index coming. They are anticipating some very, very lower numbers. So inflation is going to go down, which means interest rates are going to go down. There's a high probability that we should get some really, really good inflation numbers, positive inflation numbers, meaning they're going down, and that should drive rates lower. Over the next few months, we're going to be replacing last year's inflation numbers with hopefully lower inflation numbers, which will hopefully continue to drive rates down. We'll see on this. Hey, have a great weekend. There's lots to do in the great state of Idaho this weekend, but more importantly, go Broncos.